I'm here.
Okay, we're live. We are good to go.
Oh,
Work. I think it was because you weren't in my circle, Rebecca, because when you did it, I finally got it to go through.
well, I had added you guys to the circle already, to my circle. I re-added you to like a different circle to get you guys.
Weird.
Anyways.
I might just make my own circle just for Math 21, or 221, and then just click that and just, maybe that'll work. I don't know. Whatever. Let's start working on this.
I was going to say, since we've spent 40 minutes trying to do this, how about we do the quiz?
Okay. Fine by me.
I am good with that. I am good with that.
Fine with that. We just take our time on it, discuss each chunk of it. Totally fine with me.
You may not. You need to go sit with Daddy.
Make sure I have all the apps, or the tabs that I need to open.
Can you guys see me? Because my box for myself is blank. So I just want to make sure.
Nope. Is your video camera enabled? Is it red?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you want it to not be red. So click on it.
Use your phone.
Well, I mean, it's enabled. It's not red.
But I'm sure she's sleeping.
There you go.
He's like, I'm not going to
Okay,
go
I turned it off and then back on, so.
Well, hello.
My dog wants to be in on the picture. Up it. Up it.
So good news is I've worked on part of the quiz while we were screwing around with that. Just a few questions, though.
Okay. Let me.
Were we pretty comfortable with the part 2 then? I haven't done it yet. I got behind, but if everyone's comfortable, then let's just go on.
I was okay with this. I don't. Leanne and I said the only one I was really kind of uncomfortable with. I went over.
It was on part 1.
Lesson 2 I didn't. But the only one I didn't really understand was B. Anyway.
Okay.
Okay. So I looked at 4 and skipped over 3 because that required my brain to think harder than I wanted it to.
1.
Are we on the quiz?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
Number 3 is 1.
Yeah. So isn't it false because they said it has to lie on the axis was one of the rules?
Yeah, I think so. Because then it says as x gets further and further from the mean, the curve approaches 0, which means it stays on the line.
Okay. That's what I thought. Oh yeah, area inside equals 1. Density curve always lies on or above the horizontal axis, which is the x-axis.
Okay, what are we saying the answer to number 3 is?
1. 4 is true. And 5
It's true. Wait, 4 is what?
4 is true. That's the rule of density curve. There's 2 rules to density curves. 1 is the area inside equals 1. And 2, the density curve always lies on or above the horizontal axis.
Right, but this question says... Go ahead, Rebecca.
I'm sorry, doesn't 4 say, am I in the wrong thing? Doesn't 4 say under certain circumstances a density curve can drop below the x-axis?
Yeah, that's why I'm like, it's false.
It's false.
Wait, 4?
Yeah, because it can't drop below
Oh,
the
I'm
x-axis.
sorry. That's what I meant to say. It made sense.
I'm sure.
Yeah,
I'm
right.
sure.
You're right.
It's the dog.
What I was saying wasn't going in line with the answer. Yeah, he is driving me nuts. He keeps biting my hands and stuff. Okay.
Okay, so 6.
So 4 would be false, 5 would be
And
true,
5
and
is
now we're
true.
on 6. Okay.
Somebody have their other video on?
Maybe.
Or is that
No,
me?
mine's closed.
That was mine.
I hear echoing.
I think it's TV or something in the background.
Yeah, my daughter's watching a movie.
No,
Darn
it's you
her.
guys
She's
talk
having
more.
more fun than I am. No offense, guys.
No.
Weird. Okay.
Alright, so number 6. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score? So that would be C.
Yes.
What did you guys say?
C? Like,
Okay, I thought you said B, and I was like, wait a minute, what?
no.
I'm having a hard
Alright.
time.
It happens. It happens. It's late on a Friday. All right.
Well,
which
at my time, it's only 7 o'clock.
Oh,
It's
well, it's
still
almost 9. It's almost 9, and we've cycled through snow and have freezing rain, and then we'll cycle back to snow today.
Yes. Stupid storm has made my husband's flight delayed. He's not going to be home till tomorrow, probably.
That really sucks.
Because I'm in Utah, we don't have snow on the ground, so I was really surprised.
Oh, we
'Cause,
have
like,
this really crazy, bad winter storm coming through. I mean, it's pretty crazy, but still.
Like, so bad it's closed down airports, like, all over the eastern.
Yeah, and we're not even getting the most of it. Like, we're on the outliers where I'm at of the storm, and they've shut all the schools down, and the airports, everything was canceled, and.
Yeah. My
Yeah.
husband just keeps texting me, I got another delay. I got another delay. And I'm like, you have been gone for 5 days. I want to sleep in tomorrow. Get your butt home.
Okay, he might not be home, and you could probably still sleep in tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay.
Maggie, where are you at?
I live in Indiana.
Okay, Indiana.
Yeah, I live just about 45 minutes away from Indianapolis. So,
Okay, I've been there.
yeah. I
Oh, where that is.
live close to Purdue. So,
Okay.
okay.
Yes.
So, 7. Leon, what number did you get to?
8.
Oh, okay. So, is 7...
Okay, so I put D, like the very last one, because none of it. Well, that's a lie. It's probably B.
I think it's B.
It's B.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure.
The reason I was going to say the other one is because it's not shaded in. So
Yeah,
technically it's not really saying anything. Was
what-
my thought. But
Maybe.
Yeah, I don't think that's what they're concerned about. I think they want to know what section, regardless of color. Anyways.
okay.
Otherwise, they wouldn't have labeled it, right? Because it was just for those 2 questions, 6 and 7.
Yeah.
I don't
8
know.
is 68%.
We'll go with B. Sounds good. And 8 is 68%. That's what I got.
Me too. Woo! Woo! Dang it, I hate laptops sometimes. Okay.
Come from the standard of normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as a decimal, accurate to 3 decimal places.
So do we put -1? Suppose the z-score from the standard. We just put -1 and 1 in the applet? Because I have the applet open.
Yes.
Yeah, so for the z-score, you would just put 1 in.
It's that doesn't make sense, 0.3173.
Wait, what?
What? Doesn't make sense. So
Because we're looking.
So go look at that picture of the applet.
What portion of the values will be between 1 and -1? So.
Yeah, put -1 and 1 in those bottom two squares, right?
And then I clicked on the middle portion and took off the 2 because it's between the 2, and I got point.
Oh, I didn't know you could move it around. 0.6827?
Yeah. 6, 8.
Okay. I didn't know you could move it around. Okay.
So 683. 0.683. Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
This is dumb because this is like doing the empirical rule.
Yeah. Suppose these squares.
So 0.955
Is 10?
for 10, yeah.
-3 and 3. Where is that dumb applet?
I got 0.997.
Yep.
Okay.
What an easy question. Just kidding.
That's
I don't know the answer to that one, guys.
Okay. Oh, look, I think we actually have math here now. Okay.
I'm pretty sure the teacher watches this and he's gonna be like, F for all of you. For attitude. Anyway.
That's okay. At some point, we have to have the TA come and join ours.
Well, hopefully we can get the Google Hangouts to work when the TA wants to join us.
That's true, right?
Okay.
Okay, population mean is 0.66.
Wait, you did it already?
No, I'm reading it so I can do the problem.
Oh,
Okay.
I was like, what? How did you do that so fast? Where's my husband when I need him? This is literally his field of study.
He's stuck. Stuck at an airport. In case you forgot.
He is in an airport right now. You're totally right. Ugh. Okay. 0.66 grams of protein.
So I got negative 0.857.
What is the kg -1 to the -1 power times d to the -1?
I don't know.
That's confusing.
That's the protein that has to be consumed each day per kilogram of body weight.
So do we just ignore that chunk and just do
That's
the
like if it were grams. Like if it were just grams, it would be just G. But that's like the whole end.
That's annoying.
So the numbers we're using is 0.60 minus 0.66 divided by 0.07. And that gives us the Z number.
Okay.
A Z number. But we need the proportion.
So we need to stick it in the applet.
Yeah. That's what it sounds like to me. Is that accurate to everyone else?
That sounds right.
And so we want to know what the less than 60. Negative 0.871.
What did you get for the Z?
Wait, so it's 0.60 minus 0.66 divided by
0.0.
Where is that number at?
I got negative 0.857. Well, I got a bunch, but I rounded it to 3 decimal spaces. So I just did. Oh wait, why did I write that down that way? That's really bad. That's like really off.
So point
857 is what I got. Negative 0.857.
So then we're looking at what's less than that, and if you put that in the thing, the
you got
applet,
negative 0.857.
Yeah.
or the z-score. So the probability is 0.1957. Does that sound right?
0.1956, because I think it wants us to round to 3 decimal spaces.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, where are you guys at now?
13 still?
So 13 is 0.196.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so Maggie, we did 0.60, which is...
Yes, I did the z-score, 0.60 minus 0.66 divided by 0.07. And I got negative 0.5857, sorry.
Okay, so then we put that into the applet,
Uh-huh.
and then you make the part under it, the negative 0.857, blue, and make the other ones white. And then the number at the top should be, when you round it, 0.196.
The point under it, like the peak, the first deviation?
So on the bottom where it says z-score, the one on the left.
I put that in.
Okay, so then right above that one where it says negative 0.857 should be blue.
Oh, gotcha, I got it.
Okay.
I just want to make sure I know what spots are supposed to...
Because it's asking us what... Oh, shoot, what's it asking us? What proportion of the population, blah, 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 less than 0.60.
Oh, okay.
So it would be underneath the z-score.
Okay. So the next one would be the other side, correct?
So is it just one side of it? Or do we do the middle one and then the other one?
Hold on, let me read the question. What proportion of the population is more than? So for the more than, it would be both sections on the other side.
So 0.8043?
But doesn't 0.6 fall on the... Well, I guess that's... No, because that's the z-score we got. Okay, never mind.
So is it the
point and it wants us to round to 3, so 0.804.
Right.
Right, that's what I got too. Okay.
Okay.
So 0.571 is the z-score. But you guys can check me on that.
Wait, what are you talking about?
So she moved on to the question 15. It wants us to do it with 0.70.
Oh. And you have to do the z-score for it?
What did you get, Leanne?
0.571.
Okay, that's what I got.
Sorry, I'm doing it right now.
And then I plugged that in, and then took what was less than that, because that's what it wanted, right?
Right,
So and I got 0.716.
Okay, that's what I got.
I'm there, I'm just slower than you guys are.
No, that's cool.
We all have
We'll
a moment
remember that.
He was like lost earlier.
You said you got 0.571, and then you put it in, right? And then it's... And then you do the less than side, right?
Yeah, so it's the middle quadrant and then the...
284?
Huh?
Did you get 0.284?
No. So the middle quadrant and then the one on the left should be blue.
Oh, the middle quadrant. Okay. 0.716?
Yeah. That's what I got.
See, I'm confused at what highlight you're supposed to highlight in the quadrants.
Okay, so let me see if I can explain.
I just realized it depends on what the z-score is that you get.
Whether it's negative or positive. That's
Is
what
what you-
matters.
Yeah.
That's what tells you which line you look at.
Okay.
So
Now it
for
makes
this one,
sense.
we got 0.571, which would be the line on the right. The z-score on the right when you're looking at it.
Oh, and it's less than that.
And you do everything to the left of that one.
Okay.
If it's negative, you're looking at the line on the left.
Gotcha. Okay, so find the probability that a randomly selected person will have protein requirement that is 0.60 and 0.70. Hint, remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score, you calculate. And then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. So we already have our information for each.
So don't we just do 0.804 minus 0.716? Is that what we do?
Hold on, the
No, we don't. Because we did more than.
I think that's
smaller
trap.
area from the larger area. So I think you got to put it back in. Maybe not. Now I wish I would have written down my z-scores.
For the 0.60 and the 0.70?
Yeah. What were they again?
So the 0.60 was, the z-score was negative 0.857.
I see you. I see you.
What
I see you.
was 0.70?
0.517.
I see you.
I see. Thank you.
Ta-da.
Thank you.
So do we have to put that back in the applet and then? Okay, shade to the left of each z-score.
Oh, okay, I get it.
I think I get
So,
it. So 0.284
Yeah.
minus, okay, no, 0.432 minus 0.284.
0.148?
Yeah, so 148 is what 0.148 is what I got.
Okay. So did
That
you
would
just look at the applet and do the left from the z-score?
Right.
Okay, I get it. I got it. Okay.
Sorry.
Aurora, honey, come here.
So I did the left from the first one, and that was 0.284, and then to the left of the other one was 0.432, but then it says minus the smaller one from the larger one, so it's 0.432 minus 0.284. And then I got point.
What did you do?
Let's go play on the bed.
Because the question says shade to the left of each z-score you calculate, and then subtract the smaller area from the larger area.
So
Okay,
0.24 and then
when I put in negative
0.57, and then you do it to the left. So just that left quadrant is. So you got 0.1957.
Can you guys see my? Can you guys see my screen?
Let me pull it up.
Okay,
Yes.
so what I thought it was saying was you go to the left of each one, so I took this number right here, and then this
No.
number.
Yeah, no, that's not right, Leanne.
So this number, and then this number.
I thought you took the number.
Here, how do you share your screen? How do I share my screen?
To the left-hand side, there's a computer with an arrow in it, and it says screen share.
Okay. Okay, can you guys see mine?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So the first one is -8 or -0.857.
Mm-hmm.
So you do what's
Okay, so
left of it.
you're using the.
Just
So
hear
I
me
see
out.
what you did. So you put the old z-score in and then took the left side area of it, and then put the new z-score in and then took the left side of it.
Well, it doesn't matter which order you do, because you subtract the greater from the
Right,
least.
but is that what you did?
Wait, did you put the -0.857 in? Got that number, 0.1957, and then you put 0.517 in. Kip, stop.
Yeah.
And then got that number. You highlighted
6974. And then you subtract 0.716 from 6974. So that takes away.
But that's the bigger area. Okay.
Does that make sense?
So you do this 0.697 minus the whatever the other number was.
0.716, yeah. Because then that takes off the end that's not supposed to be in between them. How do I stop my screen share now?
So you got -0.019? But it says that
It should never be negative.
No, you gotta do the 0.697, no, excuse me, 0.716 minus 6974.
0.694?
74. So I got 0.019.
Okay.
Does that sound right?
I don't know.
So give your answer as a decimal accurate to 3 decimal places. So I got 0.019. Does that sound right to everybody?
Hold on.
Hold on. Yeah, hold on one second.
I didn't get on the -0.857. I got 0.1957 as the area. Because I just highlighted that left quadrant.
Okay, hold on, let me try again.
Right. That's what I got. So I've got 0.716 minus 0.1957 by doing the left of the number.
Okay, so I did.
But
I'm
isn't
here now.
Isn't the 0.571 positive?
Right. So that's
So you have to do the
716.
2 quadrants.
Right. But the other one is negative. The other one we got was negative. So it's negative 0.857. So I got 0.520.
So I didn't get the. This is where I'm confused. You guys, I'm going to show you my screen. You tell me where I'm doing it wrong, because you guys know it way better than I do.
Well, but Leanne and I are disagreeing, I think.
And it's okay. We can agree to disagree.
Okay. I don't know if I can see it. Okay. So, see my arrows?
Yes, that's what I did. So the first area I got 0.1957.
Okay, and then I entered in the
0.571.
Yeah, 0.571.
And then it's that one. So 716 minus
Mm-hmm.
0.1957. That's what I got.
Okay.
And I got 0.503. Or 0.5203, sorry.
So it's 0.52, right?
Okay, let me rethink this because I think you guys are right and I made the mistake.
Okay. .520 if we're rounding it to 3. 0.520, yeah.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize. How do you get out of the screen share? Oh, stop sharing.
Very carefully. I really don't like this applet thing.
I don't either. Okay, on the plus side, we only have 2 more questions.
And I don't really know how to do these two very accurately, so...
I have no idea.
Okay, you're
Yeah.
right, Levi.
Stop it. Sit down. Sit down.
35th
forget the dog.
percentile.
Okay. Okay, I have the textbook open, so I can... I'll see what...
She came in here and she said, I'm cold.
Yeah, she was telling me she was cold. She said.
So it says we can find the value of the... Are we on the 16 or whatever?
Yeah.
Okay. It says we can find the values of the percentiles for a normal distribution by using the applet... Sorry. First, we need to find the z-score that corresponds with the 90th percentile using the normal probability applet. It says click on the areas under the curve until the only areas left of the positive z-score are shaded blue. Type the desired area or percentile in the box at the top of the graph. So 90 would be 0.900. Oh, okay. So if we want 35, then we gotta go 350. We're trying to find the z-score for it?
For 0.35?
Oh, I think I have it.
Okay. And we just click what's left of it?
Okay, to find the z-score corresponding with the 90th percentile, click on the regions of the graph so that the area to the left of one of the bars is shaded and nothing is shaded to the right. Then type the number 0.9 in the box at the top of the applet and press enter. The value 1.282 is the z-score that 90% of the area is to the left. So C is 0.1282, and then there's that. Oh, we have to do that crazy formula, I think. Solve for x.
Right, which is x equals the mean plus the z-score times
What's
the standard
mean?
deviation. 0.66.
Oh, that's right. 0.66
And the standard deviation is 0.07.
It's 1. Oh, I'm sorry. Effort. How do we know if we didn't need to put the negative or the positive part in?
I think it depends on which line it's touching. Yeah, I think it depends on which line it's touching.
Where it ends at? So did you do the negative?
So for the first one I did negative, should be negative.
5 equals x minus 0.66 all over, what was the standard deviation again?
The standard deviation is 0.07, but it's not all over anything for this equation.
What?
Like,
But
hold
if you
on.
have to solve for x,
Hold on. Like, I'll show you what it... Can you see that?
hold on.
That's the equation right here.
What did you get?
Put you on the spot like that.
What was your answer?
Hold on. When I work it out with the negative 3.85, I got negative 0.041.
Oh, negative
I lied.
point. I have the formula right in front of me. 385 equals
Right, I got
x minus 0.66 all over 0.07. 0.07.
633. 0.633. I lied. That's what I got.
Equal 0.07. My heavens, this book is not very easy to read.
Yes, I got 0.633 for the first one, and then for 17, I got 0.719.
You mean 18?
Sure. Whatever the last two are.
We're on
17
17
and
and
18.
18.
Yeah. So whatever you guys like when you figure it out and we can check our answers. This writes really.
What were we using for the z value?
For
17.
which? For 17,
Uh-huh.
negative 0.385.
And where did we get that number?
When you go to the normal probability applet and you type in 0.35 at the
What,
top.
what answer did you say you got for 17?
Oh, I remember. Never mind. I'm sorry. Okay.
For 17, I got 0.633.
Ah,
What did you get?
0.345, but I'm pretty sure I did it wrong.
So, in the
I got
like
0.633.
right here, that's
Hold on,
the
let's pull you up
equation
quick.
when you're solving for x. So it's, can you see that, Maggie?
Yeah. Okay. Show me it again.
So it's the mean, x equals mean plus the z
Yeah.
square and then standard deviation.
Okay.
So your formula for 18 was 0.66 plus 0.842 times 0.07?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just making sure I got that right.
And so for 18, I got 0.719.
Okay, and I got the same. Okay.
Hold on, let me see if I did it right this time. You got 0.842, right?
Yes.
You put it over there.
And what did you get again for the answer?
For which one?
For 18,
Yeah.
0.719.
Oh, good. Done. Look at that.
So are we done?
Yes. Who's submitting first tonight?
Nobody.
It's not me. I'm gonna go through my answers again just to double check. We went through it so quickly. I'm gonna go through them all again.
Okay.
Did you submit it, Leanne?
No, not yet. Waiting to see if Rebecca finds anything else wrong.
I don't think so. I'm just double checking.
Okay.
Huh? Oh. Hey, Michael, you wanna come look over this?
No. Are you putting it in here or what?
Okay, I don't see anything wrong. Noticeably.
It's stats. I don't think anything's going to be noticeably wrong.
Because it's right. It's all right, guys.
Woohoo!
Teamwork. Good job, guys.
Refreshing. Alrighty then.
Well, if we were okay on that, we're probably okay in part 2 then.
Yeah, definitely.
We got it.
And since you guys figure out, since we figured out how to work that out, you'll be fine with if you haven't done the homework yet. Had I done that first and then done the homework, then I probably would have scored a little bit better. Fine.
I'll wait till my husband gets back and have him help me.
If he gets back.
Yeah.
That's true.
This crazy winter storm going on over here.
He said he got on the plane in Atlanta, but no, he's in Florida. Just kidding. To Atlanta.
You might get stuck in Atlanta.
I know. Anyway. Alrighty.
Alright.
So next week, Becca is in charge of posting the link.
Oh, good Lord.
Alright.
We'll figure it out.
I will study. I will study, guys.
Alright, well, we're doing fine. Don't worry, guys.
Okay.
Alright, I'll see you guys next week.
Okay.
Enjoy your weekend.
You too.
Oh, wait,
Bye.
Maggie.
What?
The link that you posted for last discussion isn't the right link.
What do you mean it's not the right link?
It just pulls me to your Google Plus post. It's supposed to bring you to YouTube.
That's alright.
On the discussion board?
Yeah.
They should
Like,
be
you look at everyone else's, it's YouTube. So,
It depends. You can do it either way, I think. Because I think the one that I posted last week had a Google Plus in it, too.
well, but when I tried to click on it, it wouldn't let me watch it.
I'll look at it.
So, anyways.
Thanks
Well,
for
maybe
that.
that's because you're not special enough.
I know, maybe I'm just like, totally screwing it up. I don't know. Anyways.
Alright.
I'll try it. I'll look at it.
Yeah.
Thanks for the heads up.
Okay.
Talk to you later.
All right, bye, guys.